everyone. So, wala tayo nangailangan ngayon. Doon sa natas topic out. Before, sa wala pakailangan ko din doon si Michael Vidal. Yan. Ang assistant.
Assistant!
Nasalita sa wala tayo panaway-laway doon sa natas topic out. So, our topic for today is about John Locke, the encouraged educator and power of experience. So, next. So, John Locke. So, isa to this John Locke sa kailan?
Tungkuan.
Sa atong Yusuf. Kasi kaya ko mag-grab ni
Dum-dum na ako.
Into religious
So, other than that, so si John Locke is a philosopher. So, also a physicist and the father of liberalism. So, si John Locke is a prominent philosopher. So, well-known siya on the 17th century. So, well-known siya because he revolutionized our understanding of education. So, kung sa may diyang revolutionize, so he challenged the traditional text-based approach to learning. So, advocating for more experiential and interactive methods. So, mura lagyan ko sa city, more focus on learning to experience rather than the traditional textbooks. So, mga na,
Yes.
na-effective na nga, So this presentation explores Luke's interest, philosophy, and its implication for education. So do you believe that experience is the foundation of learning?
Yes.
So kanang do you believe that through learning, through experience, kanang madala na nato in the future sa nato na learn. So, yes, of course. So, napopoy ka ng philosophy no nga sa una nga sa through experience na bago karon. So, ang philosophy na sa una is what anyone can hurt you doesn't deserve or isn't worth fighting for. So, because of the experience, bago na philosophy sa ako. So, tapos kinuha na ron is, anyone can hurt you or will hurt you. But you need to choose if it's worth hurting. So, kana na experience, kana nakabago na sa perspective. Through experience, na-learn ako nga, but kanang dili sa tanan nagpasakit nimo is dili worth risking. Right? So, more ladies and gentlemen.
Na yung picture.
Ito next So, para si Jandong. Ano? Sa bilog. Si everyone. So, empiricism. So, kinsa na idea. The word empiricism. In opinion.
Experience.
So, raise your right hand and stand. Si Miss Cass.
For example, the liberalism is moral experience or because of experiences.
So, sakto. To make it simple, empiricism is all about learning through experience. So, the foundation of Luke's educational philosophy is all about empiricism. So, ano ang isang mga foundation? So, knowledge is not innate. Luke rejected the idea that knowledge is pre-existing in the mind at birth. He believed that human is a tabula rasa, a blank slate upon which experience. So, isa na idea sa kanina phrase. He believed that the human mind is a tabula rasa, a blank slate. So, isa na idea.
So, is a blank slate. So kita no, nung bata pa lang ka, nung baby pa ka, yan ako sa tumaw mo sa Kala ko sa tumaw mo nung baby pa ka is blank slate daw ka, which is nanginahanglan daw para magkanapit ang mga learnings, sa atong mga experiences.
So, sakto si Miss Lumanggas, no? So, tabula rasa or blank slate, simply is the idea of individuals born empty. So for all perspective and experience, dira ka maka-learn. So, muna ang meaning sa tabula rasa blank slate. So, John Luke rejected the idea na sa bata pa nanatay init na knowledge na kuha sa itong na-acquire. So, buto ko ba mo anak na kuhaan na happiness nga ang inborn nga bata nanay ka na init nga knowledge. Buto ko ba mo anak?
Wala pa man sila yung
Bakit sila?
Diba, dili kay stage developing pa na through experience. Di na sila maka-learn. So, like for example, ang asin. Makabalo ba ang bata na parang na kung di dyan tilawan? Diba, dili. Through experience, makibalo sila na parang na. Diba? So, sensory experience is key. Luke argued that knowledge is acquired through our senses. We learn by observing, interacting with, and reflecting upon the world around us. So, makakagdayin ganina na example na dili nakabaltaw ang bata, dili kabalo nga parang asin, dili ilawan. So, through sensory motors like tasting, kanang observing, sa may laing mga sensory iba. Touching, any kind of senses. So now let's proceed to active learning. So Luke emphasized the importance of active engagement in the learning process. He believed that learners should be encouraged to explore, experiment, and draw their own conclusions. So mga gagawin sa LCT, no? In order to learn, we need to explore, experience. Although, agad makita lang nato, in different aspects, effective man sila maka-learn ta. But, dahil lang yun kung ma-experience mo, dahil lang ang ma-learning mo kung experience na. So, next. Ay! Okay. So, ako nga sister. So, si Mr. Canwell continue the
Good afternoon. Let's continue the discussion. Not situational philosophy in action. Concrete experiences. Can you read it, please, Mr. Bubut?
concrete experiences lang advocating for learning through concrete experiences rather than abstract concepts. He believed that students should be exposed to real-world situation and encouraged to apply their knowledge in practical settings.
Okay. Can you please elaborate, Mr. Panimugan, as Mr. Bubut have read? So, I believe that in Bogot's one, students should be exposed to the real world so that they can understand and experience the one surroundings, the taste, the feeling, the love. Kung ma-feel mo sa kalibutan, kung sa mga ma-feel mo sa kita. Okay. Concrete experiences. Not advocate for learning through concrete experiences. So, si John Locke nag-support siya ng learning through concrete experiences based sa ito mga experience sa ato life rather than abstract concepts. So, rather daw sa abstract concepts or ato na gain knowledge siya sa through abstract learning. He believed that students should be exposed to real world situations and encouraged to apply their knowledge in practical settings. So, si John Locke nag-believe that ang mga estudyante dapat may expose sila sa mga mahitabo sa kalimutan, real world. And i-apply nila ang ilang knowledge na nag-gain sa practical settings. Next, comparison and reflection. Can you please read this first part?
Comparison and interpretation. Locke stressed the importance of comparing and reflecting learning experiences by analyzing different situations and drawing connections. Learners can develop a deeper understanding of the world.
Can you please elaborate on that?
According to Locke is that she stressed the importance of comparing and reflecting an experience. Kaya through experience, makareflect ka sa atong self kung unsa ang nahitabo or like through sa experience, makareflect ka kung nakamake ba ta o mistake, then makagain sa knowledge sa nan ma-apply sa nato si Jack at in the long run sa atong with this or
Okay, so anyone who have different point of view or idea? One. Okay, next is practical engagement. Locke believed that education should be practical and relevant to the lives of learners. He advocated for teaching skills that will be useful in everyday life. So, please elaborate, Ms. Nobimi.
Okay. Locke believed that education should be practical and relevant to the lives of learners.
so yun nila dapat daw kung ano sa dapat daw nga ang kwantan ang kibali ang ato daw kung mag-teach ka dapat daw murihin sa kinabuhi sa itong mga estudyante and dapat daw ang ato daw i-teach ka na magamit na daw sa atong adlaw-adlaw nga kinabuhi ikaw pero practical ba ikaw practical na sa mga balungan ganyan na baliton kaya ito na maupod sa kuan maupod sa problema sa kanang practical practical
Implications for modern education. Active learning methods. Locke's philosophy has influenced modern educational practices, such as project-based learning, inquiry-based learning, and experiential education. So, anyone have an idea on this project-based learning? Ms. Tumangas.
So, paano po so di ba ang philosophy nila nag-influence siya sa modern augmented modern isa karon di ba nowadays ang ginagamit na to di ba ano kina-inquire karon sa project-based learning for example kanang di ba yung mga hands-on learning gani that requires the essential needs of students.
So, anyone? Inquiry-based learning. Miss Stella. Miss Bernadette.
Ang paper-based learning, amo na siya ang interaction between the educators and the students. Para lang, as educator, kailangan mo collaborate sa inyong mga students for them na makasabot the exchange of kung ano ba ideas.
And lastly is the experiential education. Please elaborate this about. Experiential education.
Experience.
emphasizing the importance of connecting learning to real-world problems and applications. So, ang mga educators, ang mga educators are emphasizing the importance of connecting learning to real-world problem and applications. So, ang educators is emphasize nila ang importansya ng pag-connect ng learning sa real world, sa real life problems and applications. Next is student-centered learning. And you please read Miss Marites. Student-centered learning.
Student-centered learning. Locus emphasizes emphasizes on active learning, and student agencies has contributed to the shift towards student-centered learning environments.
Okay.
Okay, next. Next one. So, do you believe na maka-learn ka to see is out sa approach na to see is to believe?
Yes.
Meron ba? Sino?
At all the time, for example, no, if naka-curiosity sa isa ka butang, dili pa sa butang, mura na siya walang tawon. So, if bali naman tayo curiosity, gusto niyo muna nila what we explore. So, explore ni mo or something na experience.
Other idea.
Yun, kung ka makayo niya, like ako, nag-share ka sa ito experience, share naman sa about places sa kung mga experience mo. Ano mo ko, anak pa yung take to see to believe man, hindi ko nga maka-invalidate sa opinion, to say dyan yung naranasan ko. Wala naman sa dyan sitwasyon.
So, tama. So, in other aspects, to see is to believe is applicable, but not all the time. Kaya na ay before ka ma-learn. Like for example, kanang libat ang tao. Diba? For example, mag-judge ka tao, i-judge mo, tapos ang imong aspects na gigamit is to see, is to believe. Okay ba lugar? Dahil ka mainanat sa mga pagkatao, diba? Dili.
Wala din ko try.
Diba? Dili. So, for example, mag-share ka sa akong sa experience. So, sa kanang, ako'y di pangayagan kita. So, ang giingon sa uban is kanang mature na siya, malita. So, kanang sa tununan na siya, tapos kanang lisod sa tuloy na natasan, kailangan na natasan. But, kanang, kung sa aking sitwasyon, mutuog ba mo nga, pero mamatik lang sa uban, mutuog ba mo nga na dili. Pero tanawon na ni mo siya, matuog ba kami natin siya? So, ang nitabo is, gitryan ako sa Jaguar. Gitryan ako sa version. So, through experience, na-learn ako na may dili-base din na kanang dili-base ba na ay kanang ako na masamot nila. Kay, di ba, not all the time nga kanang sa mag-istorya sa laing tao, mas tinutog kay bisa galing kita sa atong kao galing mata kaila sa atong kaila sa atong pagkaon. So ako pong i-challenge akong kuha kao galing nga try ang kakao i-pursue nila. So through that, na-realize na ko nga ay kuha rin sila very and sweet. Through experience na learn ako sila. So, worth it mong po nga ni so, nang po yung example diri is
Hindi na ako makakala. Hindi yung share mo na ito na. Wala sa pa. Pabalik ko dito. Sige lang. Hindi na. Nagagagod ka nga. Nabatayan mo si kibalik ka to na girl. Nabatayan mo nga siya tungod sa ibang tao. So kibalik ka, murag na challenge ka na murag person mo sa tungod na rason or dapat
Di na, pan, naging kay pag-ama.
Okay, bakit? Gusto mo na mo ito. Ano mo yung nakatulog kayo? Gusto na niyo ito
Di, mura na ta, ma-encourage na to na ako kay, siyempre, ang isa ko na tao, need mo kung ngayon sa pagkida. Hindi ka kayo na nga, i-judge lang si Dalintin. So, gusto na ako na, apil ko rin dyan na, naaya sa pagkida.
Okay, Mark, magsagot mo na ito ng
Pero, so, ako na example diri is the idea behind the apple. So, kung mag-base na sa aspect na to, see is to believe. So, kung sa'yo makita sa mata, mo ko yung project sa idea. So, kung ingon tag ang apple is red, mo project diri ang apple is red. Mo anak tag diri the apple is right. Mo pa diri the apple is right. The apple is big, round, the apple is big and round. But, naay aspects dira nga dili ka maka-learn kung dili nimo i-try. So, for example, sa taste. So, sa taste, ma-learn ba nimo nga ang apple is sweet kung dili nimo i-try?
Ilawan.
So, through other senses, dili lang sa kasi is to believe, ma-learn nimo ang isang butang. But, naay other aspects which is one, experiential, experiential,
Inquiry.
query, tapos, activities. So, next. Nasabot na ba?
Yes.
So, the conclusion. So, John Locke's empirist philosophy. So, before tayo proceed, so, bukan give me the meaning of empirist na ay plus points sa essay. Nakatakol ba yan nato kanina, which is empiricist. Empiricist. Still, plus points ako ang essay.
Is that learning through experience?
Okay, go.
Empiricism is about adapting the learning through experience.
Oh, sakto si ate. So, simply, empiricist is learning or acquiring knowledge through experience. So, mo na ang kanang philosophical, educational philosophy ng John Locke. So, kasabot na ba sa kanang philosophy ni John Locke about sa education? Okay. Ba ni isay So, this emphasis on experience, active learning, and practical engagement continues to shape educational practices today, di ba? Kay kung sa una, igo rata ka nang gitawag ng spoon feeding na. So, tungod kang John Locke na philosophy, ang educational system karon is lahina, which is true. Ang pag-teach karon is true, active learning, and practical engagement. So by embracing Locke's ideas, we can create learning environments that foster critical thinking, problem solving, and a deep understanding of the world. So, sagot ba? Yes. Sagot, sure. Mga na.
Gapon mo ang disiplina.
Oh, sige na. So, mga pangutana. Proceed. So, assignment na kani kay video. Ay, dili, magpa-quiz ko karon. Kana mga crosswise, at least 3 sentences. So, how did looks impress you? How you influence today's approach of teaching? So, bago pagaling na ako na. So, ganyan na.